Welcome to the environment of XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So now, as can you see, when I'm swapping with my finger to the right side, the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn off this feature, you should just at the same time slide with your two fingers to the center, and here on the right down corner, click to the settings icon. After that, just click here to more, and here you will see the Google Discover switcher. Just to turn off the Google Discover, you should click here once on the switcher, and now we'll go back to the home screen, and as can you see that the Google Discover is turned off. And if you want to just activate the switcher again, go into the settings, click here to more, and once again click on the Google Discover switcher here, and as can you see, it's activated again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.